Hi, how are you? It's Ching. We're going to do the second part of the third set of the contemporary Qigong designed by me. It's called Fortifying Energy. Fortifying Energy. So what last video you have learned the movement. So hopefully you have a little time to practice and think about it. So this week, this video, when you're watching this one, is Thanksgiving Day, right? I'm Thanksgiving night into Thanksgiving Day. And maybe you can continue repeat watch a couple more times and share with your guests and your family and to learn how to breathe properly, eating special Thanksgiving Day, and take a day off, enjoy your food, and then we start recharge again. So movement are important. The movement, when you're moving the spine, you're moving what happened? You're moving all your internal organ too, right? So the muscle and the fascia and fat moving together, they're positive and negative. The muscle is positive, the fascia and fat is negative. So what happens is your body become a rechargeable battery. Yeah, after Thanksgiving dinner, the day after, you really need to recharge again. Okay, eliminate all this happy meal stuff. Anyway, hopefully you eat healthy. We're going to move now, and we're going to talk into demystify. So what is this for? Remember, it's going to connect with your internal organ. So fortifying energy is the movement to start open and charge up and have you focus on the liver and the gallbladder. They're a pair. It's always designed by the yin-yang symbol. That's philosophy from the yin-yang symbol. So the yin organ is your liver. It's solid, right? Remember, we talked about this already, so I'm going to go through it really quickly. And the gallbladder is kind of like a pouch, right? It secretes bile, help you secreting, help you elimination, right? Comfortably, right? So all the natural function of your internal organs are there. Just because we don't see, we don't think about it. We should, right? So because that's what's keep us alive. And so the motion, the emotion from the liver and the gallbladder is anger, and opposite of anger, very difficult, patience, right? So anger are so much easy to feel. So that's kind of like a yang energy, like things we can feel right away. And sometimes, of course, happiness or falling in love, those are good things. And that's just the beginning, and the things start happening much harder to deal with. You can especially try to get to know each other. Okay, so now anger are easy to feel, right? So okay, your teenager kid just came back past the curfew and is drunk. You're so pissed, right? You will worry first, that was stomach. And so it always goes into, so the anger doesn't gonna help us. We're gonna stay up all night and very, very worried about it. So this is what happened, and being anger too. So when think about patience, what am I going to do? And hopefully you thought about that already. And so start when they are young, we're educating them, hopefully. But they're all gonna make mistakes. We make mistakes too. So a lot of time we get very angry when we make a mistake. So how are we gonna change that situation? So really, you learn from mistake and you learn, become better. Okay? So that patience is help us calm down to work so we don't hurt ourselves. So the anger will fry your liver. The other things, overwork. Okay, so we'll call it workaholic. Then there's another holic is from the liquor, right? So alcoholic, fry your liver. Anger, fry your liver, right? Fry food. We don't want to hurt liver because they filter everything and give it and create this wonderful 5 ketones, and to give it to, right? Helping your brain working better so you can think better and be patient, all this stuff. So let's go right to it. So I'm adding the feeling, the emotion into the right liver and the gallbladder. Gallbladder surrounding is much deeper. So gallbladder secrete bile, help you eliminating, right? And elimination, right? Impurity goes out of your body. So here we go. I'm going to do bilateral and just review all the movement, and I'm going to turn around going into the lunge like I did last video. Okay, I'm also, I will put the end card of the last video too and a couple other things so you can compare a little bit. So engage your abdominal. I hope I have enough room. Okay. This is my home. It's an easier studio to do video. My studio is too bright and the floor is too shining, so it's okay. And we try to do this. You ready? Nice and tall. 5 checkpoints, actually 5 stations going up. And nice and tall. Reverse abdominal breathing, right? Spine movement and rooting. Remember those 3 things? Very carefully implement all together. So here we go. Inhale, I bend my knee, hollow my tummy, reverse abdominal breathing. You go as slow as you can or halfway. On the exhale, you open. So I start feeling the liver side, open the front, this side is the spleen. You actually really focus moving the whole entire internal organ because connect to the spine. Because when we talk about emotion, we want to target the sensation, feeling. So we focus on the liver a little bit. And once you learn everything, you treat your body as a system, as one, to produce beautiful, beautiful work. All the way down. You ready? Reverse. Inhale. If you push down, tummy goes up. So you open the spine. Open the liver. This side will be spleen. Right? Anger, worry kind of connect together. Let it go. Inhale. You will feel them. They're so strong. I'm going to rotate, laterally rotate in the shoulder joint. It's like a courtesy. Remember, slowly release down. 2 more times. Inhale. So I'm going to do 4 each. Rotate in the shoulder joint and release down. Last one. Inhale, push. Open the liver and spleen side. 1 each side. Evenly exhale. Okay, so ready? Now focus. I'm going to contract the right side, the liver. Right to the northwest corner. Open to the southeast. Release. Open the liver side. Inhale, contract, squeeze the liver. And nice reaching spiral kind of like. It's like a nice massaging through the movement. Inhale. Exhale, open the chest. Open the liver side, letting go. Patience. We have to explaining things to our kids, to our co-worker, to your loved one, your husband, your wife, or your friends. To explaining things, guiding people how to do things properly and right. Of course, to yourself. Inhale. And exhale, keep rooting down so you can free float up. One last time. Inhale. Exhale, nice, open. Last one this way. Inhale. Push down, rooting so you can go taller, open. Open, spiral, squeeze them, and return. Reverse. Inhale, open. Rotate the body. So this is north. So I keep rotate to what? Northeast corner. So I'm reaching to the back corner of the room. This is right southeast corner. Keep rotate to the northwest corner. Rotate the shoulder joint. Come down. Inhale again, tummy in. And exhale. It's not easy to learn any spiral movement, but that's what nature and us, human, it's all about spiral movement. Last one, inhale. And exhale, release last side this way. Inhale. And exhale. Release down. Come to center. Slowly unroll to come back up. Remember, I'm going to turn around and review the lunging part. Okay? So you can follow a little easier because spiral and adding the foot position gonna be a little harder. I want you to see from my back. So much easier. Okay? Okay, let's see. I'm going to turn around, adding the lunge, okay? Hopefully you already know how to do this. We just review and adding the emotion, right? So here we go. So this is my north, this is my east, my right side, left side. So here we go. Remember, you're gonna bend your knee. You use the ankle going to the northeast corner. So I'm lunging here. I lower my body and feel I'm gonna soften my liver a little bit, push and open, create that beautiful spiral to open. The left ankle now go to the northwest corner, softening and open. So feel the anger. You don't want to keep the anger, right? You want to find this reason and the what? How to solving problems. Inhale and exhale. Special, those anger keep you awake at night. It is not healthy for you. And right, there's a lot of trust in you too. You're gonna figure out how to solving problems. Now ready? I'm gonna step forward a little bit. So I'm gonna lunging back. Okay, so reverse. Remember here, I'm gonna open the liver side and stay here. Huge open going through the worry stomach and the spleen. They all work together, comes down. Other side, open. Nice, open the world. And release, come down. A lot of time, my worry, anger is actually help you to realize what's right and wrong. Life is always right and wrong. Learning from the mistake. And sorry, and again, inhale, the room's small. I don't want to hit the wall. And here we go, comes down. One more here. Inhale, open. Open your world. When you're looking bigger, and you're also finding solutions. Reaching out, finding solutions. There's a book, there's friends you can talk to. And open or expert of in a different field. And return, coming back nice and tall. So, see problem, feel the emotion, all this stuff. The rest is research. I guess that's why you're watching this video, because I love the meaningful Qigong. Our ancestors already figured out how the internal organ resides. That's why we say the liver, anger, we hurt them, right? We fry them. Don't fry your liver. Your liver is crying. And find a solution. And it's all about how to be resilient. Special, right? We already know this Thanksgiving week. And if you so happen saw my video after Thanksgiving, still same thing. Every day you give thanks. Every day you, right? You have the nice appreciation and gratitude about your life, about opportunity. That's why you have to create it, okay? It doesn't give it to you. You're constantly creating situation, search outside, look around. Anytime you feel this, go for a walk. Even in the winter, bundle up, do the right thing. If you can go outside, it's snowing, weather's bad, stay inside, do Qigong, same thing. So anything you have, anything you can do, right? Find solutions. Be resilient. Remember, we try to making a pearl. You're gonna be a beautiful, beautiful pearl. That's your life journey. Thank you so much. Have a happy Thanksgiving, or give you thanks every day. Every day is Thanksgiving Day. Thank you so much. Take good care.